In the heart of almost every major industry, from hospitals to power plants, there is a silent powerhouse, the boiler. At its simplest, a boiler is a vessel that transfers heat to water until it becomes steam, a highly efficient way to transport energy. It starts with combustion. Fuel and air are mixed and ignited to create the massive thermal energy needed for the process. The gas train precisely controls the flow of fuel, ensuring the burner operates safely and efficiently at all times. On the other side, we have water. Feed water is pre-treated and pumped into the system at high pressure to replace what is lost to steam. This water absorbs heat. In fire tube boilers, hot gases pass through tubes surrounded by water. Water tube boilers reverse this for higher pressures. In water tube systems, the steam drum at the top separates the water from the steam, ensuring only dry energy enters the plant. Maintaining the correct water level is critical. Too low, and tubes overheat; too high, and water carries over into the steam lines, causing damage. Pressure gauges provide a constant visual check, ensuring the vessel stays within its safe, designed operating limits. The flame scanner acts as the boiler's eyes. It immediately cuts fuel if the flame is lost, preventing a dangerous accumulation of gas. The PLC orchestrates the entire sequence, from initial purge and startup to constant modulation and safety shutdowns. The safety valve is your last line of defense. It is designed to pop open and vent pressure if all other control systems fail. Blowdown valves are used to purge impurities and solids from the water, preventing scale buildup and internal corrosion. Exhaust gases are vented safely through the stack, often passing through economizers to recover waste heat and boost efficiency. The dry steam travels through the header to its destination, be it a turbine, a heater, or a manufacturing process. Once the steam gives up its heat, it returns to water. This condensate is captured and returned to the boiler to start the cycle again. This continuous loop of energy transfer is what makes steam systems so incredibly powerful and efficient for global industry. Due to the high pressures involved, regular inspection and maintenance are not just best practices, they are legal requirements for safety. Takeaway 1. Safety and regulatory compliance are the non-negotiable foundations of every boiler operation. 2. Efficient combustion requires a precise and constant balance of fuel and air. 3. Never underestimate water level management. It is critical for the long-term health of the vessel. 4. Pressure protection devices must be tested, reliable, and treated as the last line of defense. And 5. The complete steam-to-condensate loop is the secret to true industrial energy efficiency. To master the basics, spend 30 days studying your P&IDs, manuals, and shadowing senior operators during safety tests. Understanding these fundamentals is your first step toward a career in high-stakes industrial safety and energy performance. Subscribe for more deep dives into pressure equipment. Visit peakacademy.com to start your journey. See you in the next one.